Carl here again with the AutoTAC software. In this video we'll be going over the account creation, setting it up. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click this blue button, registration information, and select your text files. When you start the software for the first time, it will create a data folder, and then in this it'll have all your folders to keep everything organised. So when you click, say you're clicking on the first name folder, it'll take you to that folder just to make things a bit easier. So this is just a list of first names. Just select that, and last name file exactly the same. I am going to be adding another module where you can scrape names into lists, as well as pictures and header images in the future updates. But yeah, just select your files, randomise first last names. Rather than looping through the list, it'll just randomly pick names from a last and a first name. Password is just a spinnable password. You can use this button and it'll set the password for you. Username option. Now you can use usernames from file and select your username file. I don't use this, I just use from a mapper, which is much easier. But if you are using for a username file, make sure there is enough in there for the accounts and that they are quite unique, or you'll get a lot of errors. But this is a much easier option. Username mapper. Now if you click the help here, it will tell you you can use these two placeholders for first name and last name, and it will generate a username which will be 15 characters in length, and it will replace the placeholders with the name that's signing up on the account. So I can set my default, and you can test that if you want to. You'll just pull up some names. Now, when you're doing your email file, you need to create your email file inside the software. You can't just select a list of emails. You need to click this button to create a new email file. So I've got a list of emails here. I'll copy them with the email and the password separated by a colon, and just paste them into there. I do know a program which is really good for creating email accounts. It's socket based. I'll provide the link below this video. It is a great piece of kit, really. You can use these buttons at the top here to set for Hotmail, Google or AOL. Just make sure these are right before you do start the account creation. But I'll just select Hotmail and then select a file to save to. I need to create a new one. New text document, just call it demo Hotmail, and then open that and convert the accounts. Oh, what is that saying? Oh, demo Hotmail, open, save and convert. Now if we look into this file which I've just created, emails, demo Hotmail, you'll see that it's in a particular format, so the software understands how to use the emails. It's got the email address, the password, the server, the login, username, the port, and then the connection type. But that's done, so I'll close out of that, and now I can select my file. So select demo Hotmail, and it'll tell you I've got 21 email accounts in there that are fresh. The accounts file, this needs to be in a particular format as well, so just click the create new accounts file. You can name it here. You can use this placeholder, hashtag DT, hashtag, all in uppercase, and that will generate just the date and time for the file if you don't want to name it. Just call this accounts 1, and then that will create the file for you and load it, and that's in the accounts folder. Just created it there. It's just an empty CSV file, and that's pretty much it. You can start the account. Oh yeah, number of accounts. We'll just create 5 for the tutorial. I'll change my thread counts 5. Start account creation. Got a couple of IPs blocked there, so I'll show you this now. If you go into settings, it'll say 2 blocked IPs, and it's removed them from this list. So after a day's passed, I can click this button and it'll add them back to my list, just so you understood that a bit better. But it's created 3 accounts. I'll create another 2. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I'll be doing the account confirmation in the next video, where we'll confirm the accounts. Thanks for watching.